Want to get paid just for spending money? What if I told you that your everyday purchases, from your morning coffee to your weekly grocery shop, could actually earn you a little money back? That's exactly what Monzo's cashback offers are all about, and in this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can use them to your advantage. Monzo has a simple and straightforward cashback program. It's not like other schemes where you have to jump through hoops. The core of it is that Monzo partners with different retailers to give you a percentage of your spend back. The key is that these offers are personalized, based on where Monzo customers, and you in particular, like to shop. So, how does it work? First, you need to opt into the cashback feature in your Monzo app. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of offers waiting for you. The offers are constantly changing, but you'll typically find them for major brands across different categories, like supermarkets, restaurants, and clothing stores. To get the cashback, you have to activate the offer in the app before you make your purchase. You just tap on the offer, and it's active. Then, you simply use your Monzo card, whether it's the physical one, a virtual card, or through Apple Pay or Google Pay, to make a purchase at that retailer, and the cashback will be automatically applied. You'll see the money pop into a separate cashback pot almost instantly, though it can take a few days to fully settle. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. Some offers are single-use, meaning you can only use them once. Others are multi-use, so you can keep earning cashback from that retailer until the offer expires. And while there's no overall limit to how much you can earn, each individual offer might have a maximum cashback amount. The beauty of the Monzo cashback system is its simplicity. There are no complicated links to follow or codes to remember. You just activate, spend, and the money appears. It's an effortless way to make your money work a little harder for you, turning your regular spending into a small stream of passive income. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.